Carne Guisada with a rib roast. Stay tuned. All right, guys, it's the day after Christmas. I was gonna do another rib roast, but man, it's been done to death. So I cut me off a nice 2-inch thick steak, saved that, and that left me about 4 pounds to do some carne guisada. I'm really gonna dive into it this time because y'all really need to try this. It is incredible, silky smooth, great meal. Give it a shot. Here we go. All right, so what you saw there was about 30 minutes or so of simmering. It's already super tender. I mean, it's a rib roast. Ordinarily, I wouldn't use the rib roast, but you know, I got it for just over $5 a pound. So yeah, basically the same price as a chuck. So I'm gonna use it for carne guisada. It's gonna be awesome. The smells coming off of that are just fantastic, and it's already silky smooth, already tender. But I'm gonna let it go about 3 hours of simmering, just so it'll get as soft as possible. You may need to salt it to taste. It's totally up to you. I always like to put a little bit in there, but that carne guisada seasoning is all it really needs. I usually put poblanos, dice them up, some onion, dice it up, some tomato, dice it up. But with this seasoning, you don't need to. It's all in there. It's in the seasoning itself. But if you want to add your own vegetables, you can. I often do. So yeah, it's looking pretty good. Should be done here in a couple hours. So you can check the video on my reaction to that carne guisada. Holy cow, man, so good. I can't even tell you. If you like what you saw, man, give it a shot. Please give it a shot. Like and subscribe the video for me, and we'll catch you again next time.